how to use a hammer. Okay, there's a couple of safety things with a hammer. First of all, always make sure that you're wearing safety specs, okay? Secondly, you always hold a hammer at the bottom of the handle, never at the top. This is called strangling the hammer. Okay, so you always hold it at the bottom like this. Now this will give you a lot more whack, okay? And also if you miss something you're hitting, you'll hit it here and not hurt your fingers. So that's really important. Okay then, so if we want to hammer in a little dowel into one of our characters like this, we can just line it up like this. And then what you need to watch out for is when you're putting the hammer down, that the angle of the hammer is like this, nice and flat, okay? Make sure your hammer's not tipped over like this, because what will happen then is it will knock it this way. So nice and flat, and we tap it with a hammer all the way in. Now, of course, you'll need to do this on a hard surface as well. Okay, then when we're using the hammer, we're going to put the dowel in the hole. And then we make sure the hammer's nice and flat like this. Couple of taps. There you go. Job's done.